Hey there, welcome back to Modern Minimalism. Today, we're diving into a topic that could transform your financial journey. Ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of traditional investing? Stick around as we uncover the simple path to building wealth through minimalist investing in just 6 easy steps. The last 2 bonus steps are the go-to that you don't need to miss out for your financial investing planning, so stick around. In our previous video, we explored 10 practical tips for financial minimalism, laying the groundwork for today's discussion. Now let's delve into minimalist investing, a paradigm shift that promises clarity, efficiency, and long-term wealth accumulation. The investing landscape can be a daunting jungle of choices, information overload, and conflicting strategies. This leads to decision paralysis, where even the savviest investors struggle to navigate the sea of options. But fear not. Minimalist investing offers a guiding light through this complexity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more minimalist content like this. Let's dive deeper into the 5 simple steps of minimalist investing. 1. Set clear goals. Begin by defining your financial objectives with precision. Whether it's saving for retirement, creating an emergency fund, or funding a major purchase, articulate your goals clearly. This clarity serves as your North Star, guiding your investment decisions. When we talk about setting clear goals, we're not just saying, I want to make money. It's about defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart objectives. For instance, instead of a vague goal like, I want to retire comfortably, you might set a specific target like, I aim to have $1 million in my retirement account by age 60. This clarity helps you tailor your investment strategy to meet your unique financial milestones. 2. Automate investments. Building on our previous discussion about automation and financial minimalism, set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This ensures consistency in saving and investing, removing the need for constant manual intervention. Automation is a game changer in minimalist investing. By automating your contributions to investment accounts, you remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. It's like setting up a direct deposit for your future self. Whether it's a percentage of your paycheck or a fixed amount each month, automation ensures consistent progress towards your financial goals without requiring constant manual intervention. 3. Regular review and rebalancing. Minimalist investing isn't about set it and forget it. It's essential to regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalancing involves adjusting your asset allocation periodically to maintain the desired level of diversification. For example, if stocks have outperformed bonds in your portfolio, you may need to sell some stocks and buy more bonds to bring your allocation back into balance. This step prevents your portfolio from becoming too heavily weighted in one asset class, reducing overall risk. 4. Diversify with index funds. Instead of trying to handpick winning stocks, opt for index funds. These funds represent a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds, reducing risk while capturing market growth. Minimalist investing emphasizes simplicity, and index funds align perfectly with this ethos. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing, and index funds are a minimalist's best friend in achieving it. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, which can be time-consuming and risky, index funds offer broad exposure to entire markets or sectors. If you've made it this far, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future minimalist content like this. 5. Minimize fees. As we highlighted in our tips for financial minimalism, high fees can eat into your returns over time. Choose investment options with low fees, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or platforms with no commission trades. Every dollar saved in fees is a dollar that continues to work for you. The true power of minimalist investing lies in the compounding effect. By following these steps diligently, you harness the magic of compounding returns. Your initial investments grow, generating returns that are reinvested, leading to exponential wealth accumulation over time. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a methodical approach to long-term financial prosperity. This bonus step will change your minimalist investing strategy. This bonus tip I'm talking about is emergency fund and liquidity. While investing for the long term is crucial, don't overlook the importance of liquidity and having an emergency fund. Minimalist investing emphasizes maintaining a cash reserve equivalent to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, allowing you to cover unexpected expenses or weather temporary income disruptions without having to liquidate long-term investments prematurely. Minimalist investing is a blueprint for financial success through simplicity. Reflect on the 10 practical tips from our previous video. They seamlessly integrate into this minimalist investing framework, reinforcing the importance of clear objectives, automation, diversification, cost efficiency, and steadfastness. Finding this exploration of minimalist investing valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth discussions on financial simplicity. Share your minimalist investing experiences and success stories in the comments below. Let's build a community of mindful investors committed to achieving financial freedom together. Be minimalist, be wealthy with this next video.